In the enchanting process of creating homemade lollipops, you embark on a sugary adventure that transforms simple ingredients into delightful confections. Begin by preparing your kitchen stage, equipping lollipop sticks and laying down parchment paper on a baking sheet. The alchemy starts as you combine granulated sugar, corn syrup, and water in a bubbling cauldron. Stirring until the sugar dissolves, you elevate the mixture into a candy thermometer dance, aiming for the mystical 300 degrees Fahrenheit, hard crack stage. Now, infuse your concoction with flavor, introducing a touch of vanilla, strawberry, or any essence of your choosing. If whimsy calls, add a splash of vibrant food coloring, turning your syrup into a palette of hues. With the syrup infused, it's time to pour your liquid magic into molds or create whimsical rounds on parchment paper. Swiftly insert lollipop sticks into the syrup before it sets, ensuring they become wands of sweetness. As your kitchen fills with the irresistible aroma of candy, patiently let the lollipops cool and harden. The transformation completes in about 15 to 20 minutes, leaving you with a spellbinding array of homemade lollipops. These sweet gems are perfect for enchanting parties or wrapping in colorful cellophane as delightful gifts. Embrace the magic of crafting your own lollipops and share the joy with those who appreciate the sweet alchemy you've mastered. Happy lollipop crafting, and may your kitchen always be filled with the aroma of sugary wonders.